This pattern is popular among the Pierce action strategy traders, or more precisely, the 1-2-3 pattern is a reversal signal distinguished by a zigzag move at the end of a trend. This indicator automatically plots this pattern on the MetaTrader 4 chart, also available for MT5. Initially published on 28 September 2016 on the MQL5 market, the developer Pavel Zamashnikov from Russia released a few updates at the request of users. It was updated with new functionalities and bug fixes, finishing with version 3.5 from April 2019. Since the pattern is commonly sought after, the tool received some popularity. The author has a large pool of released products consisting of 45 indicators, EAs, and signals. Overview: the indicator is very specialized in what it does, but since the drawing of a pattern is subjective, this task is not easy to code and to give the right levels for drawing points 2 and 3. The base of the formula comes from the zigzag indicator that is adjusted through several conditional measures, some of which can be altered in the method for pattern triggering parameter. The overview page is clear, showing all that the indicator can handle. 1-2-3 pattern is drawn in real time, and once it is completely formed, an alert will be triggered, without any redrawing. A video presenting how the indicator work is great and short. These patterns can show on any trading instrument, be it in Forex, equities, or crypto, while the indicator does not require manual setting adjustment for each. If traders want to adjust the actual 1-2-3 numbers display, it can be easily done in the settings. Fibonacci levels are used in conjunction with the adjusted, non-repainting zigzag indicator, so the points are pinned to one of up to 5 Fibonacci levels scanned by the indicator. These levels are also used to stop loss and take profit automatic placement and can be displayed with description if set so. A full alert component is used to signal the trader by email, push, or to a mobile device. If traders want a complete automatic solution, a new published expert advisor is containing the 1-2-3 pattern recognition from this indicator. According to the author, the recommended time frame is from M5 to monthly, although the greater the number of candles drawing the pattern the better and longer the trends are. However, it seems there are some limitations to usability. Intraday traders would need to focus on the EU and US trading sessions as the patterns are not reliable on other markets. Model's 1-2-3 pattern chart shows the reversal of a current trend and are the major pattern of the market. The pattern frequently occurs at the end of a strong trend with a high probability of reversal of the market. The 1-2-3 Pattern MTF v3.1 indicator can be applied to any time frame or unit of time different the current time frame. Use multiple time frame, time unit UT, to identify the general trend of the market in the short term and long term and allow to anticipate the entry and exit points of the trade with a global vision of the market. If the signals are on different time frame, the trading signal is stronger and more reliable. If the signals corresponding to different time frame, the trading signal is reinforced time frame 1 to 1 minute 5 to 5 minutes 15 to 15 minutes 30 to 30 minutes 1 to 1 hour 4 to 4 hours 1, daily 1, weekly 1. Monthly included 1-2-3 Pattern MTF v3.1.x4 broker, online broker MetaTrader MT4 platform signals and trading rules interpretation indicator 1-2-3 Pattern MTF v3.1 trace on the graph in figure 1-2-3 pattern bullish or bearish and the corresponding Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci levels define the entry levels, stop orders and output loss. Open a position when the price breaks the 100% Fibonacci level. Learn more about the rules and trading signals. Trade example: trading currency Forex symbol. Swap your/use time frame, daily D1, daily IM frame 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Currency pairs, Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar to Swiss franc, Australian dollar to US dollar. Technical indicators: parabolic SAR indicator, 0.02 to 0.2, moving average simple, period 6, close, moving average simple, period 12, close, moving average simple, period 24, close, moving average simple, period 48, close, Bollinger Bands, 12, 2 or 20, 2, Bollinger Bands, 48, 2, 1-2-3 Pattern MTF v3.1, Lab Trend Zigzag 1.2, Rules for 1-2-3 Pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and Moving Averages. Scalping system: trade only in the direction of TH trend by simple moving average. Trend up equals MA6 greater than MA12 greater than MA24 greater than MA48 and MA12 greater than MA24 greater than MA48. Parabolic SAR: trend up with the dots below the candles. The upper band of the Bollinger Bands, 12, 2 or 20 to 2, is greater than of the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, 48, 2. Lab Trend Zigzag pointing up. If these conditions are fulfilled, enter a buy pending order at the level 100 of the indicator 1-2-3 pattern with target 161 or 261. Place the stop loss 2 pips below the level of 23.6. Sell simple moving average. Trend down equals MA6 MA12 less than MA24 less than MA48 and MA12 less than MA24 less than MA48. Parabolic SAR trend down with the dots above the candles. The lower band of the Bollinger Band